Hi everyone, this is Vipasha Das. I secured All India Rank 6 in ICAR JRF Agronomy. First of all, I am very much grateful to God, my parents, my seniors, and my teachers. Without them, I can't achieve this. I am very much thankful to Agitoppers Academy for giving me this opportunity. I graduated from Bidhan Chandra Krishi Vishwavidyalaya. I am going to share my strategies with you. I started my preparation during the middle portion of fifth semester. I started with Principles of Agronomy, written by Reddy and Reddy. After that, I studied Principles of Agronomy by S.R. Reddy. From this S.R. Reddy book, I studied agrometeorology, irrigation, soil, and weed science portions very uh, carefully. For crop part, I would like to suggest you to go through the Rajendra Prasad book, and if you don't have sufficient time, then you can also study Modern Techniques of Raising Field Crops by Chidda Singh. For weed science portion, I would like to suggest you to study the weed science basics and application by T.K. Das. Um, you can also study weed management principles and practices by O.P. Gupta. For soil part, I studied Soil Science Treatise by Satyanarayana and Introductory of Soil Science by D.K. Das. Among these two books, I found beneficial is Soil Science Treatise, as this book is very much helpful to finish soil science portion within a very short period of time. Another basic book is Agronomic Terminology, published by Indian Society of Agronomy. This book is very much helpful for creating your concept. And another important book was Agronomy Fact for Competition. This book covers the syllabus of agronomy, and this help you to cover the agronomy portion during revision time. It helps you to revise very quickly. And for sustainable agriculture, for precision farming, and conservation agriculture, organic farming, I would like to suggest you to make your own notes from Modern Concept of Agronomy, published by Indian Society of Agronomy. And for numerical portion, I would like to suggest you to solve the problem of numerical for Amit Bhatnagar book. You can also study the numerical problems by Abhijit Sharma. And for statistics portion, I would like to suggest you to study the class notes of statistics. I think this is enough, but if you want to study more, then I would like to suggest you to study the book a textbook of agriculture statistics by R. Rangasamy. And I also studied onliner book like Agronomy in Seconds by Pithias Day. For objective part, I studied Objective Agronomy by Thaba Prakash. And Agronomy and Soil Science portion of Agri Wizard I also studied. For general agriculture, I would like to suggest you to go through a comparative book of agriculture by Nimraj Sunda, Fundamentals of Agriculture, Volume 1 and Volume 2 by Arun Kaptan. And if you like to solve objective of general agriculture, then you can go through S.R. Kantua. Make and another book is Agronomy Treatise. This book is also important book. In this book, previous year solved question paper is compiled. And come to the revision part, I would like to suggest you revise the whole syllabus during last 2 to 3 months, and this time is very much crucial period. As from previous year, the question patterns are changing. Questions are coming from more conceptual like. So the questions like assertive reason and statement. For solving this type of questions, you should have enough concept. For this, I would like to suggest you to revise the basic books as much time as you can. And Mm, and also update yourself from current agriculture. For current agriculture, I would like to suggest you follow Agri Toppers Academy, as this platform as this platform share the recent current affairs of agronomy or of overall agriculture. This will help you to cover this portion. And during examination 2 hours, stay calm, stay cool. This time is very much crucial. And believe in yourself, stay focused, keep studying. I think you can achieve it. And I am also thankful to Agri Toppers Academy for giving me this opportunity so that I can share my strategy and my experience with you. Thank you.